Hey guys, I hope you're doing fantastic. I'm doing well. As you know, my mood's picking up and I'm starting to get my mojo back and starting to get into the flow of things. And as a result of all of this, I have actually received some amazing products from Element Gaming, and this consists of the Carbon mouse, which is just about to be released, and the Carbon keyboard, which is RGB. As you can probably see, it changes loads and loads of different colors, and I'm well excited to see what the stuff is like. So without further ado, let's get inside and have a look at the mouse. It does state on the box that it has a braided USB cable, 8200 max DPI, programmable software, customizable profiles, RGB lighting effect. So happy day, it's got everything, guys. It's compatible with Windows 7, 8 and 10. Really, what more could you want, in all fairness? So let's get inside. We have a little disc, a booklet, the instruction manual, of course, and the actual mouse itself. Oops, don't want to break it. I've only just got this and I've been itching to get it inside. This mouse is huge and it has a beautiful rubber finish on it. Guys, I wish you could actually feel this, because this is such a beautiful touchy feely mouse. It is so smooth. It feels like super smooth rubber. And this does have 11 programmable buttons, a rubberized wheel which does light up as well, and it does have a precision mode just here where you can press the button and it makes it more precise. It has a G6, G5 and a G7 button, a refresh button changing the DPI, and I know that it has a little tiny section through here which lights up as well. So happy days, I can't wait to see what this looks like illuminated. So what I'll do is once it's all set up, I will take a picture so you can see it all lit up. Okay, we'll put that there, get rid of these boxes and move on to the actual keyboard itself. So let's open this bad boy. Looks like it's going to rain outside. It's getting very dark. Okay, so inside we have the keyboard. This looks very similar to the Palladium keyboard, if I'm honest. Okay, we've got something in there. Oh, we've got the tool to remove the keys. What's this? Some spare keys. The actual mechanism, it's the mechanical buttons. A gold-plated USB, which is always fantastic. The instruction manual, which obviously tells you how to sort all of this out. So here's the keyboard. It's quite heavy as well. It's as heavy as the Palladium keyboard that I reviewed the other month. Oh geez, oh wow. And to be honest, guys, it is just as beautiful. The Palladium was literally all but identical, but you know, this part, as you may remember, was brushed aluminium. This is aluminium again, but is sprayed in a stealth black color. It is quite heavy. It does have an iron plate in, so it doesn't move around your desk quite easily like some unfortunate poor weighted keyboards. You can see just under there all the mechanics of the keys and everything. This thing is absolutely stunning. I do know that my very good friend Long Sensation got one of these from Element Gaming as well, and he stated that it is the best keyboard that he has used to date. And being almost at 100,000 subscribers, of course he's going to have been sent various keyboards from many different manufacturers to have a look at, and he said that the Element Gaming, the carbon keyboard, was by far the best. What I do like about this as well, guys, this here is like, what's the word I'm looking for? Routed. This is routed out. So this is all 3D. When you can actually see my finger shining on the aluminium there, is because that is bare metal. It's been routed through the black paint. So happy days, guys. This is beautiful. It's got a blue and dark blue and black braided cable. So again, you know, Element Gaming have absolutely pushed the boat out to the absolute maximum. This keyboard is £90 no matter where you go and have a look at it. The matching mouse, as you saw in the beginning of the video, is £30. And of course what I'll be doing is leaving a link in the description below so you can go and check it out on their website and on Amazon, and hopefully pick up a bargain and buy one yourself. So guys, that's all we have time for today. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, share some love and slap that like button. And don't forget to head over to Element Gaming, which is at UK Element Gaming. So go show them some love. Go and show my friend love, Long Sensation. Go and follow them both. And I'll see you in the next video. So until then, my friends, take care. Bye.